Unlinking a bank account from Airtel is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully remove your bank account. Step 1. Open the Airtel app. Launch the Airtel app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. In the app, locate the Payments or Bank Accounts section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Select the bank account. Once in the Payments section, find the bank account you wish to unlink. Tap on it to view more options related to that account. Step 4. Choose Unlink option. Look for the Unlink or Remove option. Click on it to initiate the process of unlinking the bank account from your Airtel account. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the information and confirm that you want to unlink the bank account. After confirmation, the account will be removed. Now you have successfully unlinked your bank account from Airtel. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.